Make your Gammas more engaging with the X integration. You can seamlessly incorporate social media posts within your presentations, documents, and websites. The X integration opens up exciting possibilities for various users. For marketers, it's a powerful tool for campaign showcasing. You can display specific X posts in your presentations, from campaign announcements to customer testimonials, adding social proof to your pitch decks. For businesses, you can enhance your website's credibility by embedding customer testimonials from X. Turn positive feedback into powerful social proof that shows potential customers what others are saying about your product or service. For analysts, you can enhance your research documents by embedding insightful threads from industry experts. Transform your reports by incorporating curated discussions and expert commentary that support your findings. Let's learn more about it. How to add the integration. There are 3 simple ways to add X posts to your Gammas. Direct paste. Simply paste the X post link into your card. Gamma will automatically recognize and embed the content. Use Gamma's /command. Type /Twitter or /tweet and paste your X post link or embed code. The post will instantly appear in your presentation. Use the Insert menu. Navigate to the Embeds Apps and Web Pages section and find the X option. Drag and drop the component to your desired location, then add the post's link or embed code. Now let's explore how to maximize this integration. Tips and tricks. Once you've inserted your X post, click on the Advanced option to access additional configuration settings. Here, you can adjust the display settings and metadata, particularly useful when showcasing X content on websites. You can also click on the display options to choose different ways to showcase your content. Embed reproduces the X post within your Gamma. Preview shows the link with a title and description. Button attaches the post link to a button. Link displays the regular URL. When embedding threads, viewers can click through to X to read the full conversation and replies, making it easy to provide additional context when needed. Gamma's versatility allows you to combine multiple components. For instance, you can arrange multiple X posts side by side to compare different perspectives or showcase a series of related updates. You can also insert X posts within other components like columns, tables, and even smart layouts. And that's how you integrate Gamma with X. It's quick, easy, and incredibly powerful for incorporating social media content into your presentations and documents. Try it today at gamma.app and experience a new way of presenting ideas, powered by AI.